couldn't talk for more Skids, this is for you, man. Fuck! Hello, Milkman Miata back. For that one person, who is that person that commented like, man, where's the Miata content? Forgot his Instagram name, but like, shout out to that guy.
The one guy.
No, the one guy, man. Made my day. Here's my car. It's a Lamborghini Murcielago Ferrari, aka the Miata. It has pop-up headlights. If you didn't know that, it's a 1990 body with a 91 engine. Cause I fucked my last engine up in there. Holy shit, man.
Alright.
When you get a text from your cousin saying she's home alone. Oh, okay, fucked my first engine up. Got a new engine in. And I got equipped ones, JDM spec.
Shut up.
I got Westlake's drift spec.
Your friends are so fucking dumb.
Yeah, because those are in the rear, and then like I just had them, did burnouts, and then
What are the specs on the wheels?
These are 14 by 8 wides with like -11 offset. Or
what about the rears?
Or -3. And the rears are 14 by 7 with -3 or 11 offset. It's like I don't know which one has -3 or -11 offset top of my head, but like
decent.
yeah.
And then
I have the wides in I have the 8s in the front and the rears because I have the fronts fenders rolled, not the rear fenders rolled, so that's why.
And then what? Welded diff?
Yeah, I was on Fist Marketplace. This one guy with a welded diff, he's like, I'm willing to trade. Get a job! He was like, I'm willing to trade my welded diff for an open diff. So I was like, I'll do it. We took my diff out and we took his car to my buddy's like garage. And we just took his diff out, put my diff in his, and then we were like, fuck you, man. Get a job. Kicked him out.
No doubt.
Yeah.
Yeah, so welded diff,
And
fender
then
mirror.
I got an exhaust for my buddy Taylor. ISIS exhaust for paid $200 for cat back.
We put that on, we have a video of that somewhere down on the channel. Yeah, it looks like shit anyways.
Oh,
But yeah, so that's all you've pretty much done to it.
Yeah.
Interior, what you got?
Coils? Yeah.
Yeah, what do you...
yeah, I forgot. I got stance coils. I paid like $400 for them. Fucking get a job! Fucking took the ferry over to Vancouver, picked them up, got a duffel bag, brought them back, and I was like, this shit's fucking heavy, man.
No doubt. And then what, you got the fucking, got a Nardi.
Got the Nardi steering wheel, got it from Moist Boys. All of them.
Best air fresheners in the world. Available at www.moistboys.com.
I think it's all the air fresheners.
Link in the description.
Wait. Boom, boom. It goes like the first, second, third, and fourth, right?
Yeah.
Decent.
Then you got the Dragon Ball Z.
Dragon Ball Z shift knob.
Because he's a racer.
Yeah, no doubt, right?
What about this? Yeah, look at this fucking
Naruto sneaker. Oh, I got these from my buddy Taylor for $40. They were a bit fucking like wavy, and so I just took them and I took a heat gun and I fucking clamped it together, heat gun it, got them straight-ish.
Right on.
Yeah, and then my front lip.
That's alright.
Yeah, but I paid $10 for this lip because it was in 2 pieces, so I zipped it together. $10 for a front lip. That's a good deal.
That's good value.
These are like $120 new.
No
yeah, you
doubt.
can just fiberglass it. Yeah.
So yeah, this is like a new series we're gonna start doing on our channel. Is we're just gonna get all of our buddies to drive their cars and then put the camera in the car with them, and then I'll like edit it all together and we'll do a cinematic, and it'll be a cool video.
Okay, give me the fucking camera.
That old real shit.
All right, give her.
Drake album picture.
Shut the fuck up, man.
Okay. So it's in my car, 100 horsepower. Yeah, and so make sure. I hope you like the content. Comment if you want to see me more. I do gotta do a dry belt. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Comment your favorite type of dog. Yeah, that's a good one. And fuck these people driving through our studio. Just get some fucking jobs. And make sure you pick up the merch. You know.
We're gonna be having a big Black Friday sale through Cyber Monday, so the whole weekend, Black Friday to Monday. Gonna be doing some crazy sales. We still got a bunch of good sizes left, a couple vinyls left, so be sure to hit the link in the description and
the jewel skins.
Yeah, no doubt.
Yeah.
Jewel skins too.
Man, look at this guy jumping in the studio. Get a job.
Yeah, god damn it.
God.
Anyways,
get a job.
like, share, subscribe. Hopefully you like this kind of video.
Yeah. And then if you guys are wondering, this right here, it says we take pleasure in driving by the